Hello, boys and girls. This is our second read in the Lesson 24 section of our Journeys Unit 5 Decodable Reader book. And this is page 107. The story I'm going to read to you first is called Moon News. And let me go ahead and read it to you. It says, "This is our moon. We can see the moon at night. We cannot see it at noon. That's a scoop. No moon at noon. I don't think that's news, is it? Have you noticed you really can't see it during the day? You can only see it at night. And noon is like the middle of the day. So here's the moon again. It says this is a full moon. It can look white. It can look yellow. It can look almost red. The moon is covered with dust and rocks, which I remember from one of our stories this year. This is a new moon. Look how small it is. It looks like a slice of moon, but it is not a moon slice. A new moon shows just the part that is lit up. Oh, so that part is, so there's still more of the moon over here. It's just like in the shadows. The sun is only shining on that part of it. Oh, what's this? Look, the moon keeps on getting more and more shined on with each picture until it's all lit up right here. And look, it's starting to get smaller. Interesting. So let's read about this. This moon chart, oh, that's a moon chart. This moon chart shows ways the moon can look from Earth. It starts with the new moon on day 1. So here we are, day 1. I guess they're not going to start with day 0. And it shows the full moon on day 14. So day 14, see the 14th? There's the full moon right above it. Interesting. So when you go outside at night, I wonder how the moon's going to look. I wonder which kind of moon you will see. Look at this painting. It shows the moon and stars. Did the person who painted this have fun with the moon? How can you tell? Well, let's have a look at the picture. Let me see. I'm going to make it go really, maybe even higher. What do you see? Is there someone fishing on the moon? Fishing for a star? I think it's out of focus when I do it like that. Yeah, I think the person did have a lot of fun drawing that picture and painting it. This painting shows the moon. You see? This painting shows what the moon shone on. It shone on land. It shone on trees. Trees gleam in the moon's glow. You know, I think I'm picking up on a pattern here. This is a painting with the moon in it. This is a painting with the moon in it. Is that the moon? Let's read this. This painting shows the moon. This painting shows what the moon shone on. It shone on water. Okay? Water gleams in the moon's glow. I don't know if you've ever been near a body of water like a lake or pond, or maybe after it rains at night or at the beach, but the moon does cast light onto the water. It reflects on the water. Oh, look, this isn't a painting, it's a picture. And it shows an astronaut on the moon with all the dust and the rocks. We read our story, remember about that? Well, this is a moon song. So let me sing that song to you. It says, Moon Song. I like to look at the moon and hope to visit it soon. You can come too. You can be in my crew. Ooh, 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 ooh. And I think I'll draw an O on the bottom just to make that work, 'cause I remember in the word to and do from yesterday that to and do use just an O to make the oo sound. Okay, remember that song, 'cause we're going to sing it together at the end. And so we're going to do our word work just like yesterday. I introduced the moon card, and these are the spellings for the oo sound that you hear in moon. There's oo, ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, and here are some words in the story that use some of those spellings to spell the oo sound. So let's read them. Here we have the O-O making the oo sound. All these words use the O-O spelling. Let's read them. To, noon, moon, scoop. Okay, now we're going to use the E-W spelling for the oo sound. Are you ready? New, news, crew. Now we're going to use the O-U spelling. You. Okay, these are from, was it last week or the week before when we did AR? So let's just do a little review. AR spells the R sound. So this is chart, like the moon. Chart. Starts. Starts. It has an AR too. Now in the word earth, AR does not make the R sound. I don't know why, but EAR spells So we're just going to do that in this word, earth. Okay? Just have to remember that the rest of your life. This spells earth. And this last one says almost. Almost. So now it's our turn to read the story. Are you ready? Let's see how many words you can read. We're going to give our fingers a good pat if they follow each and every word as we practice reading our grade level text. Okay, are you ready? I see an O-O right there and an E-W right there. They're going to say ooh and ooh. Are you ready? Moon, news, moon news. This is our moon. We can see the moon at night. We cannot see it at noon. That's a scoop. No moon at noon. This is a full moon. It can look white. It can look yellow. It can look almost red. The moon is covered with dust and rocks. This is a new moon. It looks like a slice of moon, but it is not a moon slice. A new moon shows just the part that is lit up. This moon chart shows ways the moon can look from Earth. It starts with the new moon on day 1. It shows the full moon on day 14. Look at this painting. It shows the moon and stars. Did the person who painted this have fun with the moon? How can you tell? This painting shows the moon. This painting shows what the moon shone on. It shone on land. It shone on trees. Trees gleam in the moon's glow. Gleam means it like emits light. They emit light. Okay. This painting shows the moon. This painting shows what the moon shone on. It shone on water. Water gleams in the moon's glow. So here's our moon song. Are you ready? I'll put this over here so we can sing the last part of it. It goes like this. Are you going to sing it with me? Moon song. Are you ready? I like to look at the moon and hope to visit it soon. You can come too. You can be in my crew. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, toodaloo.